Hey, what's up YouTube? Coming at you again with my 2009 GMC Sierra, and one of the common problems that we find, leaky roofs. So for me, occasionally when it would rain really hard, I would get water that would come in right through this little tab here. And I was like, well, it's got to be one of the two things. Either has to be this antenna, the shark fin, or the third brake light back here. And so I started off by replacing the gasket on that, which is pretty easy. 2 screws, pull it out, disconnect, put the new gasket in, clean the area, and then put it back. And then I came up and took a look at this gasket up here. Kind of have to disassemble the roof just a little bit. Basically take off the sun visor there, this panel, which is just 1 screw in that tab. And then I took off just this one right there. Took that off to pull this down and give me a little bit more room. And then once you pull it down, you can get your hand right about in here, which is right where the antenna is. There's one 10mm bolt. I took it off and cleaned it and looked at it. It didn't look too bad. So I did notice though, inside, potentially, this might be your cause of the leak, is that one of the drain tubes was unplugged from where it collects water. So it looked like water was draining from a spot here and then right down this to that spot. And I saw the tube over here that was disconnected. So I put it back together and put some tape on it to hold it. But I think that was the source of the leak. But now I feel pretty confident that it shouldn't leak anymore because this gasket was really good and I have a new gasket in the back. I shouldn't have any more issues. But just to give you something else to think about when you're doing this repair, considering all the different possibilities, just to make sure you don't rule out something simple like one of your drain tubes being unplugged. And it's weird because I just replaced maybe a year ago the seal for the sunroof, and it's been leaking as much or more since then. But now I feel really confident it's not going to leak anymore. So keep that in mind when you're doing your repairs for this for leaky roof from that shark fin antenna or from the third brake light antenna, and it should make your life a lot easier. That way you can learn from my mistakes. So enjoy. Have a good day.